Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to run system file checker on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the Windows System File Checker or SFC command is a tool that is built into all modern versions of Windows. This tool allows you to repair corrupt system files in Windows. SFC can be run with administrator privilege both from within Windows as using the Windows Recovery Media. And then I'll show you how to run SFC on command prompt. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so just type this CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then next step, you need to type this command keyword SFC /scannow. So in all small letter and /scannow, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So when critical Windows system files are missing or corrupted, some Windows features may stop working correctly or Windows may stop responding altogether. And this happens, you can use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool or DSIM and the System File Checker Tool or SFC to scan your system files and restore any corrupted or missing files. So yan po yung ginagawa ng SFC command mga kaibigan. And it is a Windows built-in troubleshooting utility that checks for system file corruptions. When you run SFC scan now command, it scans the integrity of the protected system files. Once the scanning process is finished and it finds any error, it replaces the corrupted, incorrect, changed, or damaged file within the correct one. So remember, System File Checker helps you modify the files which may damage the file if not done correctly. Hence, either take a backup of your system files before performing the SFC scan or recover data using a robust or free data recovery software. And finally, verifications 100% complete. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-run yung SFC commands into command prompt administrator. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.